Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find highlighted verses on Bible Gateway. Open the website BibleGateway.com, then click Login/Sign Up. Now, log in with your email and password. Then click Login. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for highlights. Click on Highlights. And now you will see your highlighted verses. That's how you find highlighted verses on Bible Gateway. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.